Hi everyone, this is Meela Vijay Pense and let's see what July 2020 has in store for the sun sign Pisces. Okay, so for Pisceans, this entire month is going to be a very kind of a roller coaster ride of a month. There are going to be a lot of unexpected events and situations happening all around you, people calling up and certain plans made and certain plans cancelled, and this is going to really leave you in a lot of chaos. So in order to avoid this situation, see to it that communication is maintained properly, everything is in schedule, everything is tick marked and checked, and also leave in a little bit space in your schedule so that if in case something unexpected comes up, you're very prepared for it. Moving on to the workspace. The workspace is very balanced and perfectly fine, even if in case there is a lot of unexpected activities happening at your workspace. You will be able to nicely navigate it throughout the entire month without being very exasperated or confused and haphazard, at least in the workspace. In matters of finances, somehow you have to be very guarded, because this month is all about a lot of unexpected events. So especially in the department of finances, there are going to be some sudden unexpected financial expenses that you have sincerely not expected, and when they come, they are going to completely throw you off balance. You might get a little bit frazzled because of that, and sometimes even if you don't wish to spend, there are some certain financial expenses that you simply cannot avoid. They could be a little bit of the medical types, they could be a little bit of probably someone really close friend asking you for help, and as much as you don't want to, you cannot even refuse that friend of yours. So such kind of sudden unexpected expenses might actually throw you off gear. However, in order to cope up with it, it is advised that you communicate effectively with the so-called people and maintain a particular boundary. Don't go overboard in helping someone to such an extent that then you are yourself in need of money. So learn to communicate and learn to maintain your boundary, and then probably your finances will be a little bit balanced. When it comes to relationships, somehow this month is going to be a little bit troublesome, because either you or your partner are going to be very adamant and stubborn in your stance for a particular given situation or a person within the relationship. This is going to cause kind of a friction. There are more chances that you might feel that you are being dominated by your partner. You might feel a little bit snubbed, you might get very emotional about it, and could get very emotionally upset. In such a situation, it is advised that you don't back down and cower down by your partner. Rather than that, you being true to the situation by listening to your other half very patiently, and by the end of the conversation, you also put your opinion in front of the partner. So this kind of open conversation will help you smoothly navigate your relationship for the rest of this month. There is nothing to get tense. It's just that you need to learn to express and communicate your feelings smoothly in this month to your partner without getting frazzled and emotionally excited and emotionally overwhelmed. So learn to keep that emotional balance. In matters of health, what is going to happen is this month is going to be filled with so much of chaos and activity and little bit of complexities and complications that you might feel very emotionally overwhelmed. Now in this state of emotionally feeling overwhelmed, you might actually resort to emotional eating, and you might actually gobble down something and then upset your tummy. There is a chance of upset tummies and indigestion, because you've just emotionally overate yourself to cope up with your emotional thing. So the advice the cards give you is, whenever you feel that a situation is coming in this month which is very emotionally overwhelming, learn to take a break. Even if it is a 5-minute break, even if it is a 10-minute break, center yourself, ground yourself, meditate. Think about the situation logically rather than emotionally overreacting to it, but do not fall in the trap of emotional overeating, because it might cost you digestion issues throughout the entire month.